Most salt chlorine generators come in several sizes, meaning that they are designed to handle different pool capacities. If you are getting to the point where you need to replace your chlorine generator cell, you can take the opportunity to consider whether you should change your cell size. One reason to change would be to upgrade your cell size. Unfortunately, not everybody chooses the most appropriately sized system when they initially purchase their equipment. Maybe your pool was bigger than you thought, or perhaps your bather load has changed over the years, increasing the chlorine demand in the water. These are just a couple of examples as to why you may need a bigger salt chlorine generator. If you found yourself in this situation, the next step is to check whether your chlorine generator can utilize a different replacement cell. Having the ability to switch to a different cell is usually possible for most CircuPool models. To check what cell sizes your model can use, see our guide at circupool.com. Even if your initial system sizing was sufficient, upsizing a cell is still typically a win-win situation. This gives you more power in reserve for those times that you really need it. In addition, higher capacity cells operate at lower output levels, helping to minimize cell usage and provide longer cell lifespan. Alternatively, some people might consider getting a smaller cell. We typically recommend against this as you can always lower the output of the cell or change the hours of runtime. This is usually preferable and, as mentioned, can carry with it greater savings and a longer time frame between replacing cells. Hopefully, it's clear that if you can go larger with a replacement cell option, then it's usually to your advantage. It's a great way to save money over the life of the equipment and have extra power for when your pool calls for it. A smaller replacement cell is rarely a recommended option. Thank you for choosing CircuPool. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel for more helpful CircuPool videos.